up, ladies and gentlemen? This is Tom for your help, and today we're going to burp. Today, so yeah. You know why I like burping? I think it's gross. That's why my parents are. Yeah, so let's start. Alright. This might be a little bit funny. I burped like a couple times, so yeah. It's like my mirror. You know why? My mirror's behind you. You know, literally I sit by, but it's not annoying. It's like a rumor. I could do this every day. Saw that? Trying to build a book. A real book. You guys don't know how to build a book? Plus, I hope you're disgusting that way. No, whatever you want. It's okay. My way is to do it. And there's a lot of things. So right there. Yeah, right there. I burp a couple times, so. Like this. When I put my spoon in there, it doesn't work for no reason. For me only, I don't know about you guys. Probably the same thing, or all of you guys maybe, I don't know. I don't like my burping. Like a noisy one. And I'm talking to my camera. And yes, I am talking to my mom, but my dad's still taller than me. My brother's taller than my dad. Yeah, I'm just a little brother who burps. After you right there. Guys want any questions like that? Just subscribe. Just like, please subscribe. I'll do one more time, or two more times. I like 2 more times. I'll try to do the best, alright? What's that noise? So thanks for watching this burping show. Make sure to subscribe, and yeah. See you later. Don't forget one more.